Peace, family. This is the statue of Xochipili. Xochipili is an Aztec god that ruled over entertainment, fun, gambling, hedonism, and apparently homosexuals and male prostitutes as well. The statue of Xochipili was unearthed with depictions of mushrooms, tobacco, an herb that has LSA in it, and an herb for lucid dreaming as well. Now, as you know, the powers that be utilize a grid-like system in order to create an influence, a control, through the ley lines by which we occupy. And through this grid-like system, the power of Xochipili spreads out into the consciousness of this area and all the ley lines associated with it. And as you can see here, it's not just exclusive to Washington, D.C. It spreads all the way through the coast. It spreads through all the lines in the United States. So now that you know that Xochipili is the god of pleasure, love, dancing, painting, feasting, creativity, human pleasure, sex, drugs, and alcohol, do you think we're under some kind of magic spell up here in America? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to be advised on how to grid the planet most effectively on your side, DM me. We'll get on a call. And I'll teach you all the techniques and strategies that you need in order to keep that sky clear.